So I'm on another pressure washing job with Sam today, and this is what we've got to do. There's this patio here. Should come up really nice. There's some nice yellow bricks mixed in with it, I think. And then this path along here. Again, should come up really nice. I'm going to use the Whirlaway on this so I don't spray all the plants. Lovely garden, obviously spends a lot of time in it. And then I don't think I've got to do that, but we've also got to do the gutters along there and the gutters down both sides of the house, this lovely barn conversion. So really nice job to be getting on with. So I'm going to start on the pressure washing while Sam does the gutters. I think the problem's going to be with this one is down that end there's no real drainage. There's Sam. So there's no real drainage down here, but I think I've got a solution for that, which I'll show you in a bit. So we'll get cracking and see how we get on.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Now I know why it never worked out before. High low, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Sometimes, but I know we're safe. Two peas in a pod, a roller coaster to walk out the door.
So I think you'll agree this has come up really well. It's dried out a lot, completely different to what it was. Still wet down there, but I've cleaned up. And then if we come around the corner here up onto the top patio, oh, what's happening there? That bit's done. That bit isn't. Unfortunately, my pressure washer has packed up. I've been having a few problems with it and it's just stopped working. Really new pressure washer, shouldn't have happened, so I'm onto dual pumps at the moment, and I've had to hire a pressure washer to finish it on Monday because I'm not going to get mine sorted in that time. So it was coming up really nicely, as you could see, but still not finished. So keep watching for part 2.